This is Kathy from Gadget321, and in today's video I'm unboxing some more pin mail that came in recently. I got this from Anderson Pens. I got some more ink samples and a few little odds and ends. There's one little pin in here. I've got a project that I've been wanting to get started working on. Okay. Alright, first of all, I got a rack for some of my samples. I've been needing one of these for a while. Little rack for my sample vials. And I've got some samples in here, so I'm going to go ahead and put this together. Looks fairly simple. It looks like I better put them in the right order. Ah, they slide in. There we go. I'm gonna pause this for a minute. Okay, got it figured out. They just slide, basically like slide into rails. And the one with the small circles goes on bottom, and then the two trays with the larger circles go on top. And the last one. Don't know it. All right. Okay, now I've got trays to put my ink samples in. All right. I've got Mont Blanc Emerald, my first time trying a Mont Blanc ink. And the ink I thought I was getting in a previous video, this is Pelikan Edelstein Moonstone. I got the Monteverde Moonstone, which I'm glad I got because I do like it. Mont Blanc Oyster Gray. And Kobe 68 Pearl Blue. I haven't tried any new inks in a few days, a week or so, so I'm looking forward to this. Mont Blanc Swan Illusion. Kobe 54 Ochre. SBRE Brown. I wanted to get a sample of Gourmet Pens Pink, but they didn't have it. When I'm buying ink samples, they never have Gourmet Pens Pink and SBRE Brown at the same time. Okay, I also got one of the platinum adapters that allows you to use, it's a little adapter that will allow you to use a Standard International cartridge in a platinum pen, which usually requires or Platinum uses their own proprietary cartridges and converters. I got, let's see, a Kaweco mini converter and another Kaweco mini converter. It's the little squeeze bladder. With my two Kaweco pocket pens, I have been reusing empty cartridges, but I have had one of the cartridges, the lip on it, crack and leak ink out in my Kaweco Lilliput, so I've been looking forward to getting some actual converters. And this is the Monteverde mini converter. I thought I would give it a try. I've got a Monteverde Paquito that I want to try it in. And last of all is a Platinum Preppy, the medium. The Preppy Crystal that I have is the fine nib 03. This is a medium, and that's got a good amount of tipping on it. I wanted to try and see what the medium, what it was like, and I've wanted to do this for a while. I want to grind this into a stub nib, just a very fine stub nib. I borrowed a whetstone from my dad, and I'm going to try my hand at some nib grinding. I've been watching some videos. Typically, if you're going to be doing any nib grinding on a large scale, you might want like a Dremel or a grinding wheel, but I just have a few nibs. I would like to try grinding my own architect nib or a Naginata Togi type nib. I might be being a little ambitious, but that's just something I've wanted to try. I've got several number 6 medium nibs that I got here a while back that I can work with, and I've got, let me see, that Moonman nib that came with my M800, Moonman M800. So this gives me some stuff to play with in a few upcoming videos. So if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and if you found this video interesting, please give me a thumbs up.